Welcome to this short video. In this video I want to show you the Microsoft Stream screen recording feature, a feature that's really valuable at the moment, especially given the blended and remote learning that we're all doing. So to find the screen recording feature, you first need to go onto your Office 365 portal. On the left hand side you'll have all of your application icons, and if you go down to the pink or red arrow and it says Stream, click on that one. You will load up Microsoft Stream in a brand new window. It's going to log me in. Now this software or this platform is a really great way to be able to record your screen and share your videos, but it's just one of the features that Microsoft Stream has. So to record your screen, you first need to go up to the Create button, click on the arrow next to it, and click Record Screen. Now, if you've recorded something in the past, you can always upload your video just as you would to YouTube or a similar platform. But in this case, we're going to click on Record Screen. And the first time you click on Record Screen, you'll need to give your permissions to the browser to record or use your microphone and use your camera. I'm going to click Allow in this case. Now there is a 15-minute time limit, but that's okay. Now if I have multiple cameras plugged in, or a front-facing and a rear-facing, I can choose. So I'm going to use my front-facing camera, and I'm going to use my microphone, the only one that's plugged in. If you had multiple microphones, let's say a USB microphone and the one built into your computer, then you'd need to be able to choose which one you're going to use. So having done so, I'm going to click Record. And you can see my preview in the bottom right. I also have options. I can record my entire screen, I can record an application that I have open, or I can record a tab in Microsoft Edge. Now I'm going to record the Microsoft Office tab in Edge, but you could choose anything you like. This is great because it means your students or other staff aren't going to see all of your windows that you have open, potentially with sensitive data, so you can choose just to share a single tab. So I'm going to click on Microsoft Office Home, which is a tab I have open in Edge, and you can see it just up here. Click Share, and I have a blue outline around the window that I'm currently recording, so I can scroll up and down, I can go into a Word document, and I can do whatever I need to do. So the blue outline's following me. I can record my video, and when I've finished, I can move back to Microsoft Stream and I can stop the recording. And what's really nice is I have the option to have the little preview window of my webcam in the bottom right, so students can actually see me when I'm talking to them, which adds an element to it. So I'm just going to scroll up and down. I'm going to type some text so that you can see what happens when we stop recording. I'm going to go back up to the Stream tab, click Stop, and my recording is immediately saved. So if I play this back, we'll be able to see that the recording is playing just as it should. It's always good to double check and good to check your sound. I go into my document and I type some text. Now I'm going to press Upload to Stream, and I'm going to give this Demo Screen Recording as the name. If you'd like to share the video beyond certain individuals, you can tick this box which allows you to share the video with everyone in your company or in your school. I can then press Publish, and you'll notice it processes. Now this processing can take anywhere from a minute to several, but once it's processed, you can close the window and share the video as intended. Okay, so we've now moved from Microsoft Stream record mode into the studio mode. I've clicked on the video title, which in this case is Microsoft Stream Part 2, and you'll notice the video will play through and we've got a nice recording of the screen, my webcam and the audio. Now you will notice that the transcript is not appearing, so what you need to do is click on the three dots just down here next to the like button and click on Update Video Details. And then for the transcript to work, you need to select a language. So you need to tell Microsoft Stream what language the video is in. Now in this case it's in English. So I can just start to type English, press enter, and it's applied English. Everything else we can leave as is unless you want to add a new name or a description. Press apply, and then a transcript of my video will shortly appear here. It takes a few moments for Microsoft Stream to identify what it was saying, and then it will appear. Okay, so after about 3 minutes of waiting, my transcription has now appeared on the right hand side here. This is the video we recorded earlier, and I'm going to press mute so that we don't have to listen to the video, but if I press play, you'll see that the transcription on the right hand side automatically moves through as I speak. So everything, I'm not doing anything here, the hands are off the mouse. Everything that's happening is automatic, and as I say a particular word or sentence, it moves down on the right hand side. This is great for students who want to be able to read what's going on as well as listen, or for those that have a hearing impairment, etc. Another great feature is the search feature at the top. So if I find a term that I'd like to find, so I'm going to look up the word PowerPoint. It searches my transcription and then immediately shows me at 1 minute 15, I say the words tools and software such as the recorder in PowerPoint or other tools are suitable. So if I go and click on that, I can see that at 1:15 I said that, and it starts playing from that point on. This is a really nice feature if you're uploading 10, 15, 20 minute, half an hour videos. It allows students to search for keywords inside of this. So let's try the word Microsoft, because I expect I mentioned that several times. And here you can see every time I mention the word Microsoft, or if I mention Microsoft Stream, it will show every time I mention Microsoft Stream, which is very, very clever. Okay, so a really nice feature. It's completely built in. The only thing you must do is go to your video details and then change the video language to English. So you must state the language that the video is in, click apply, and then the transcription will appear a few minutes later. So a really nice tool. I suggest you try it. A really, really great feature built in to Stream. Thanks for listening.